Ladies and gentlemen, this is the old market. And we'll let this old boy through here. These guys can wait. There's a Range Rover with custom LED turn signals. Factory option. Less stuff mucking about. We are going to get Phnom Penh, which is the Cambodian waffle. Now this lady up here, where the old market meets that particular road near the Cafe Amazon, apparently has the best ones in town. Now, I am a waffle connoisseur of sorts. I've consumed my fair share over my time here in this country, but everyone that I've spoke to says this lady is the shit. She is the one that you should be buying off. They are about $1,200 each. I wonder if I'm going to get ripped because I'm here by myself without any locals to, I don't know, take away the barang tax. But if they charge you $2, I don't give a shit. Doesn't matter. What is in these things? These things are made from coconut. They've got coconut bits of flesh in there, and that other standard waffle bits and pieces. So let's go and check out first of all how they're made, and then grab a couple, wait for them to cool down, and then consume them. But whilst we're doing that, have you noticed how lovely this area of Siem Reap looks? Doesn't it just look superb with the new road? Over here too. New road. Looks like a ZB Commodore. It's not. Fall apart if it was here. Oh, she said we've got the price on a window, so we won't get ripped off. Check this out. $1,200 each. Fixed price. And let's see how they're made. Today. So they've got this lovely cart here. The heat is steaming off, like it's radiating here. They are sweating bullets, I can tell you now. And I think they've got individual fire pots in here. Yep, there you go. They cook them for a couple of minutes each, and they are magnificent. Negotiations happening here with the lady in the pajamas. Stoking the fire, making sure it's nice and hot. There's one there, fresh, look at that. Straight in the bag. There's another one, fresh. They smell magnificent. Alright, let's order some. Well, hang on, let's watch them make some. So here's the broth, the batter, or something. Straight on. They are light and fluffy, marvellous. They are wrapped in banana leaf for heat resistance. So I've got to get 3 of them. Just going straight in. This young lady is taking the orders. Delivery straight to the bike. That's service. She's going to that lady next. Will she come here? Try and get the picture. Buddy? Icon. So 2 for me, 1 for me, 2 for Kinal. Just got to get the ones that are fresh off here. For that lady. Yep. We're just getting massive, just getting heaps. Anyway, just has a quick look at the stand. This is it here. Waffle Siem Reap, just in case. The original and the best. So I think the system is that these guys are just cooking and the ladies are just cooking. The young girl's taking the orders. I'll stand back here. So this lady, she's got a shed load of them. Maybe I've got to just pull my money out. Show that I'm a motivated buyer. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. It's going to her. She just walked up. Let me get her attention. Maybe I just got to pay first. If I slide the folding, then we're in business. Oh, some bait. Oh. We're in the queue now. Alright, cooking with gas. Oh, we're not. We're cooking with wood fire. Cooking with coal. Got a bit of motorbike parking here. Oh, across the road we've got banana fritters being made. Looks like something going on at the old Amazon. Hey, that looks a bit knackered actually. Is it open? Yeah, it's open. Okay, righto. White beet bay. Oh, akon charan. Thank you very much. Oh, that is hot. Akon charan. So, that there, ladies and gentlemen, is where you want to get your waffles, the Waffle Siem Reap shop. And even these guys have got the barcode where you can do a PayPal sort of thing. Phillip Bank. Got on your Phil. These are blisteringly hot. I'm not going to attempt to even try one right now. I'll wait till we get back and we'll open one up so you can have a look. People on the side of the road selling stuff. This guy's got some sugar cane, some juice. Let's jump up on the footpath, which is now readily available for all people wanting to walk on foot. Yeah, bloody marvellous. I love that people guide their mates out of car spots. It's almost like they're jumbo jets without any traffic around. He still treated him like he was a 767, which was fantastic. Good on him for helping their mates. Right, these are cool enough. Yeah, big deal. That's still pretty hot. Oh, it's so fluffy, man. Have a look. What do you think, buddy? That's what I thought. Alright, get them ones. Fish.